Hello everybody, it is Dockers and welcome back to my home site of Spartan Airsoft for our warm-up game. A 30-minute match where the first 15 minutes, if you are hit, you head back to your starting point and respawn. Second 15 minutes, if you are hit, back to the safe zone and bomb up ready for the main game. The spawns for this game are the red team are down next to the UN base, and the yellow team, which is my team, up by Gandalf's tower. After a failed attack on the village, you join me as I've respawned and head towards the green container at the centre of the field. I hope you enjoy.
Other end of the trench! End of the trench. It's just crossed the road. Elliot, one of them's just crossed over to the trench. On the back corner.
Black landing.
Yeah, I've just taken one at the landing. Team of 3 moving up.
Apparently there's someone on the left who's Rich. Well, Rich.
Yeah, got it.
Oh, you're looking this side.
Got one walked up to Black Landy. There was a group of them that went round the very back, but there are a couple literally just off to our left right now. Eyes on one. Right, 2. Steve, is there one behind that stack of logs right in front of you?
Now with respawns over, my plan was to head towards Alpha Base, cross the road and then come back onto the back end of the trench to try and take the enemies by surprise. Now that I've managed to cross the road, it's time to head back towards the trench to come up behind any enemies that manage to flank us. And I just managed to spot someone hiding in the bushes.
Kill.
Oh, fuck.
Jamie, my love.
Yeah. Thanks.
Brad!
Well done, Dockers.
Well done, guys.
With only a couple of minutes left of the game and no enemies in sight, I decide to head back to the safe zone to bomb up ready for the first match. Hope you enjoyed it today, guys. If you did, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. It helps me out a massive deal and lets me know that you guys are enjoying it. All the best, guys. Take care of yourselves, and I will catch you in the next one.